How to learn financial analysis online with 365 Financial Analyst. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to learn financial analysis online with 365 Financial Analyst. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts and special promos if you're going to purchase the courses right here from 365 Financial Analyst. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So here we are currently in the 365 Financial Analyst website. So this is the ultimate finance certification platform to enhance your career, obtain the necessary skills, tools, and resources to become a certified financial analyst, investment banker, or investment analyst. So yeah, so to start learning about financial analysis, what you want to do is just simply go to learn right here and go to courses. And then in here, they have different kinds of courses right here under being a financial analyst. So they have courses right here like who does what in finance. They also have courses right here relating to Excel, math for finance, and this is their top rated course right here, which is accounting and financial statement analysis. So yeah, this one of their top rated ones right here. They also have one for corporate finance. They also have data analysis as well, and a lot more courses that you can choose from. They also have their best sellers right here. FP&A, building a company's budget. They also have a popular one right here, which is the investment banking, discounted cash flow valuation, multiples valuation, LBO modeling in Excel, and a lot more. So yeah, so they have lots of courses right here that you can choose from on becoming a financial analyst. So yeah, feel free to check all these courses out in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, there will be a special link in the description below and where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to subscribe right here to 365 Financial Analyst. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.